next one is called Monomyth. Okay, Monomyth is the hero's journey. Okay, it's a hero's journey that we're sort of prepped and primed for because we've seen so many examples of the hero's journey. So it involves a hero, who goes on an adventure, who is sort of victorious in some sort of decisive crisis or battle or thing that they need to face, and then the hero comes home transformed with a new perspective, with a new way of thinking, with a new way of life. So the Monomyth story, it takes the audience on a journey, right? You develop this is where you develop a relationship with the hero, right? You feel for the hero, you want the hero to win, because as we're reading the story, we understand that the hero has gone through so much, right? And we're rooting for the hero. At the end of the story, it gives us something to take home. Maybe it shows us the benefits of risk taking, right? Maybe it shows us what it means to be different and overcome that. Whatever the moral of the story comes out through the hero's journey, and ultimately the story is going to demonstrate how that main character or the hero learned something new. And this is kind of like, I wrote a comic book with David Walker called Superb, about a superhero with Down syndrome, and Jonah, the main character, is a superhero, but he also has Down syndrome, and he is on a hero's journey, right? He starts out as one character, and then through the story, it's a coming of age story. He goes through crisis, he goes through action-packed battles, and he learns from those things, right? And through him learning about himself and life lessons, the reader learns as well. And so this is a tried and true sort of hero's journey story that I'm sure you could come up with numerous examples of. And again, if you have a story idea that you have in your head, or that you've even written down, or maybe you have a script written, go back and add in the formula that the Monomyth structure or arc uses, right? Take the audience on a journey, add the decisive crisis or conflict that the hero is facing, demonstrate how the character learned from that experience. And of course, inside of that story, you can have other characters going through their own situations and mini plots and things like that.